Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am opening my Yoga Club Fall, October, whatever you want to call it. I'm really excited because I peeked inside and I saw the colors and they are awesome. Yoga Club is a yoga clothing subscription box. I don't do yoga, so I call it my athleisure wear subscription box, my mom wear subscription box. It comes with 3 items in a box. Typically a top, a sports bra, and a pant. It always is a full outfit, but like I've gotten hoodies, like my all-time favorite cuddle up lounge hoodie came in my Yoga Club box. And in fact, I loved it so much, I was like, can I get another one in another box? Whenever I put in my feedback for my outfit, which you can go in and rate your outfits each time. And they gave me another one. And it is like the big fuzzy, great, comfy, like the value of the box is cheaper than that sweater would have been retail value. Like, no joke. If I can find that unboxing video, I'll link it up here because I want you guys to see it. So, Yoga Club is $79.99 a box, and you can choose your frequency. Monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, on demand. At the very beginning of 2016, I did monthly. That was too frequently. Then I swapped to quarterly. That was too infrequently. So now I'm doing bi-monthly, and I think that's absolutely perfect. It's 6 outfits a year, plus I can go hop on and add an outfit on demand at any time. If you use code PINKFREE, you get a free pair of leggings in your first box, which is really awesome. Their leggings are usually like $60 to $80 in value, which is cool. In my last video, I touched a little bit on like exchanges and how to do exchanges. So if you want to see my last outfit last month and hear more on exchanges, go up here. But they do have a really quick and easy exchange process. You can trade it on their Facebook group and or just do a formal exchange on their website. I started my subscription in 2016 and I think I've done maybe 3 exchanges and I just did them on the Facebook group. I just swapped them out with a friend. So really, really great. I have that link below down there. I'm wearing Yoga Club right now, comfy, but let me show you what in this box. So here's how cute the box is. Has all the info inside. I have never noticed this. This inside the box says, this isn't just an outfit. These are not clothes. This is a gateway to happiness. I have never noticed the inside of the box says that. I agree with that statement. I wear these clothes out to wine with my girlfriends. I wear them to like any like volunteering, working in a retail store, anything that's like movement based. I wear these clothes. They're great. I am in my mid 30s. I prefer my shirts to cover my hiney, and they do. The shirts are all like this one where they cover your booty when you stand up. And like, that's what it's about. Like, I don't want my stuff out. No, thank you. Okay. On top is, okay, this is what I was wondering. It's a Lycra bra. I could tell the material was really nice. It's extremely soft. It is a full covered sports bra with an adjustable strap. So both of the straps adjust and the cups are lined. So you can remove the cup if you want to. I personally need the lining inside and like that. This is a very nice sports bra. It is by Mane Tasha Bra in, how do you say that? Cerulean Blue? How do you say that? I guess I've never really thought about how to say that. Now I'm like on the spot. Size small, $58 retail value. So here is this guy. Love the color. Oh my gosh, this shirt is so soft. That might be the theme for today. Oh, this is cool. So this is my blue. If you are a redhead, these deep blues are made for us. It's extremely soft. It is a 3/4 length sleeve, so not a full long sleeve. And look at the back. Look at the back. Isn't that so cool? It's like braided, torn, like sliced and then braided up. I don't know what the appropriate term is. I just know it's really, really cool. Okay, so this is the V-Active. Oh, did we ever decide how to pronounce this? Don't know. Tell me, is it V-Active or V-Active? Stella 3/4 length sleeve, navy, size small, retail value $65. I think this might be the softest thing I've ever received. So cute. And then last but certainly not least is the pants that coordinates gorgeous with the sports bra and the top. Look at the legs on these. That is so cool. Here we go. I'm loving these. These are the Soul and Mane Cora Wispy Waves 7/8 legging, liquid blue, size extra small. And y'all have been going back and forth. The extra small and small both fit me. And I love them both. So I'm just kind of rotated back and forth. I think I'm going to end up sticking with the small, but I don't know. I keep vacillating. So I should put my measurements down below for you guys. If y'all match my measurements, you could wear an extra small or a small, depending on how you like your stuff to fit. Mine changes. I mean, I'm sure y'all are the same way. Like on those big, like, sorry if this is TMI, but like bloaty days and my days, I just don't want everything to be form-fitting. I want the small. But when I'm in my days where I'm like, I guess on the move and going and I want my things more form-fitting, I like the extra small. So it's a win-win. Okay, I want to show you guys these on so that you can see what they look like as an outfit and the fit. So let me go throw these on and we'll chat more. Okay, here we go. This is the outfit on. I love it even more on, and I was a pretty big fan even before it was on. This shirt, you guys, is super, super soft. This might be my new favorite sports bra ever I've gotten, and the pants are so cute on. So you can see the length, it's like right above the ankle. I love that. Look at the back. It's so great. I love it, and it's completely opposite of the last two outfits I showed you in August and September. Let me pull the shirt off so you guys can see. So, as sad as it makes me to take the world's softest shirt off, this sports bra is amazing. It has a good full fit. Like, I would wear this working in my backyard in my yard, and I have neighbors I'm really good friends with. I am a very modest person, so I typically wouldn't be caught in a sports bra, but this one is actually really covering. I love the leggings that it has the band, that if you like more of a lower rise, you could wear them like this. But it actually has a really great low rise fit, or you can pull it up and wear it full. And look at the back of the sports bra. You can see that they adjust right there. It is, I had that monthly subscription. I was like, okay, I cannot sign up for monthly again, that's too much. So I went to the bi-monthly, but then if I keep doing on demand, by the end of the year, I'm gonna end up with 12 outfits anyways. So here we go. Here is the look. If you like this look, hop on my personal site, my personal page on Yoga Club, and go order it. I'm super stoked to have this page live so you guys can order the outfits exactly as I have them. But also know if this is not your cup of tea, hop on and take the quiz. The style quiz is awesome, and they'll be able to match you with outfits that are perfect for you. I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.